Back in action, we back in the action, boys. My God, have you guys been asking for this video for a long time now? And my only thought process was, fuck you, dude, I'm gonna make this video whenever I want. So tell me what to do. I have oppositional defiance disorder, it's not my fault. However, something changed yesterday, man. I picked up my phone for a second and I looked at my message on Instagram. I do that, by the way, my Instagram's right here, go message me. So I swipe up. Because of course I don't have a password, I don't need that shit. Just kidding, I got multiple. My girlfriend does not need to see what I'm doing on there. And I look at this message. This little man hit me up, bro. Now, I'm not talking a child, I'm talking about a grown man who is somewhat of a midget, which is sick. I was like, dope, yeah, I want to talk to you, you guys are awesome. So I start reading this message, man. He's like, name brand, I know you get this a lot, and I know you'll probably say no to this. However, can you show us your entire fake sneaker collection? Now, at this point, I'm taken back. I'm like, bro, how dare you ask me that? And then I think to myself, you know what? I'll do that for you if you answer me one question that I've been curious about for a little while now. He says, shoot. Ask me the question. I put my fingers down on that keypad and I started typing. I got one simple question. Are y'all like packing heat down there? Like what's going on? Are you guys like proportional to us? Or like are you guys like unknowingly gifted down there? Like what? What's happening? Let me know. I hit send. A second later, I see that he read the text. Now at this point, I'm thinking to myself, oh shit, this little Wookiee's about to whip my ass with words. And then he starts typing. I start trembling a little bit. I'm like, I went too far this time, Brandon. God damn. And he says two words to me. Bruh, it's all good down there. And I was like, dude, that is so sick. I'm so pumped for you. Now let me carry out my little end of this bargain. Today, boys, we got my entire fake sneaker collection. It's real fucking lit. But of course, y'all know the name brand fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all times. Y'all the goats. I'm gonna try not to swear in this video as much and like talk about sexual stuff, even though we're off to a terrible start. Because the last two collection videos we did last week are not only demonetized, but age restricted. I got zero cash, I got zero views, but there's also a Patreon link down below if you guys want to donate. That'd be sick. And of course, if you guys didn't know already, I'm Name Brand. If y'all are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, notification squad, where you at? Leave me a comment and thumbs up down below. I like talking to y'all. Once again, Instagram's right there. Love it. Trying to like work on 100,000 followers just so girls think I'm a lot cooler than I am. You know what I mean? We'll get there soon. We'll get there soon. No, you won't, Brandon. Fucking idiot. Name brand number 2 came out again. Hate that guy. He's like a voice of reason or something. Ridiculous. Alright. So we're gonna go through all these fake sneakers I have. Now I want to say right now I do not promote buying fake sneakers, selling fake sneakers, yada yada yada. We just have all of these or most of them from the Instagram buying series that we do, where we buy a lot of sneakers, see if they're real or fake, and if they're fake, I usually give a lot away, which is why this collection is nowhere near where it should be. Like we'd have probably the biggest fucking collection on YouTube if I had all of them. However, it's still kind of lit and I want to show y'all my fake sneaker collection. I also don't rock these, but we do rock them to like, you know, like Supreme and like other places and try to get kicked out because it's fun. Yeah. First one's up. Alright, we're about to start this collection with a bang. Bang! We got the cartoon Yeezys right here. Now, if you guys haven't seen the video, I always let you guys know if we're using any fake sneakers. I usually like using the real thing for the wow factor. However, this is all I had in stock, and we probably made the dopest custom, definitely so far in 2018, maybe even all of 2017 with these joints. And we actually have like a long time going giveaway going on with these, so if you guys want to hit the notification button, subscribe, comment, and follow my Instagram, y'all have a chance to win these. I'll be posting on Instagram, I think sometime this week, who wins these. And I'll be checking if you did every single one of those. So that's the first sneaker we got right here. Honestly, my favorite probably custom that we have ever done. It's lit. I want to say so many sexual things about it, but I can't in this video. Damn it! With my penis. Yeah, just slipped one in there. Penis joke again. We're murking it. Let's bring it back to the big basics, man. These ones got a special place in my heart, and for the most ridiculous reason. These are the very first fake sneakers that we ever did for an Instagram buying series. We got the worst, fakest Yeezys y'all have ever seen. Like dollar store type shit. It says Highland in there, for God's sake. They're fucking lit though, dude. I got both pairs, so I'm probably gonna rock them out once I finally like get married or like even get laid at one point. I'll probably be wearing those, which is sick. Next up, we can't go wrong with these, bro. We got the Air, what are they called? Fuck! Air Monarch, no, fuck. Air Nike, shit. We got the Universal Studio back to the school shoe. Mags. We got the Air Mags right here, bro. Now, as you guys can see, it's really hard to tell that they're fake because they actually say they're real on them. Got the dope Nike swoosh. The dope thing about these, if I've actually charged them, is these motherfuckers light up like a goddamn Christmas tree on Halloween because I am savage that way. Goddamn, where's a button on these bitches? Holy shit. I haven't used these in a little while. Anyway, just believe me that they light up. They're actually the Universal Universal Studio series, so they're not like 100% fake, but they definitely don't self-tie, which sucks because I can't tie my shoes yet. Very sick. I gotta get into these ones real quick, man. These ones right here, I told you guys once again in the custom they were fake. We had the NMD Bapes right here that we made it to the most giant crazy sneaker mask ever. If you guys didn't see this video, I actually wore them into a bank, which was so sick, and they called the, well, they said they called the SWAT team on me, but they called the cops. I don't even think we have SWAT team in Winnipeg, but that was gnarly. We also made your very favorite sneaker mask ever on the channel with them right here. Very sick. So with a lot of these, either once again I made customs with them and let you guys know, or I gave a lot of them away, but those ones I had to keep. I might give one of those masks away. I might even give both away because I just don't even care about them, and I feel like y'all care more. We gotta get a lot of thumbs up on this video, bro, and if you share, it's a goddamn bonus. Oh, these ones were gnarly. We got another one that I customized. These ones are great. I actually spilled some fucking food coloring on it, which pissed me off. Even though they're fake, they're kind of chill. We got these in the Instagram buying series. I actually said in that video, these were pretty good fakes too, which made us make a dope fucking sneaker mask with them. As y'all can see, we got this coming in. And, well, spoiler alert, I might have another pair of them coming in that might be real, that we might be doing some wild customs on. Now, take away all those mites, that is coming in. We are doing dope customs with it, and StockX is sending us them, so that's sick. And there goes the surprise for the video. Shit. Alright. These ones I might have to drop a motherfucker for, because I spent retail on these, and I think in the videos I said they were real, and I don't know. However, as y'all can see, first off, we did a dope custom with these. Take off that thing. I really want to get Yeezy Buster to verify if these are real or not. I'm quite sure that they're not. I bought them when I had no knowledge on Yeezys, and now I'm actually very good with legit checking and stuff like that through the series as I do. They say sample on the inside, bro. It's just like, it seems like that's never a thing. You know what I mean? Like, they're either Yeezys or they're not. So if they say something they shouldn't, I feel like they're fake. I was in denial before. I said they were real. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna put them in this video. One, because they look so sick. We spray painted them and like hydro dipped them, which was so scientific. Shout out to Bill Nye, he's my boy. But yeah, those ones right there. I'm gonna say they're fake. And the coloring's a little off because I bleached them a lot. I did a lot of customs on them. But you guys let me know what you think with the sample on the inside. Shout out to Sample Industries. Tony D and Bull, give me some merch or something. I'll unbox it on the channel. I want that shit. It looks good. Oh, these ones are kind of recent. Blow. I wrecked these, bro. I wrecked these. So we have the fake pair of Air, god damn, what are they called? Off-white Jordans right here, and I tried to do like the Gatorade custom on them. Y'all know that the Gatorade ones came out, so I'm like, hey, let's pour food coloring and blue Gatorade and dye these girls. As y'all can see, it turned out awful. Turned out really bad, but the good thing about these are, holy goddamn, my shoe tree just split in these. It knocked down my skateboard. That was sick. It was like a goddamn bullet. I'm now strapped, boys. Don't F with me. Anyway, the good thing about it is, as I was ironically gonna say, is the shoe tree's kind of dope because it has a little dog on it, which is pretty cool. Just thought I'd point that out. And we also made a sneaker mask with them, which looked kind of, I looked like a goddamn stormtrooper. That kind of got his colorways off when he was putting on his outfit. He's like, yo, I should probably put some red and black on that shit if I was a stormtrooper. But I'm not. Just kidding! Alright, stupid joke. Next up, boys, what do we got now? We got a lot of these. Alright, these ones right here. You guys know for a while, before I could afford real Yeezys and stuff like that for our customs, we were doing a lot on white Ultra Boost. Now, if you guys really remember back to my channel and remember that, y'all are long name brand fans, and I appreciate it. So these ones right here, we got off an Instagram buying series. I never customized them, because once again, I always try to use real sneakers. But kind of wild, man. You don't see a lot of fake Ultra Boosts, like, in public. Actually, you do. I'm pretty sure I saw Kais wearing some sometime, and who else is big on YouTube? Definitely saw Blazendary and Blake Linder wearing some fakes for sure, so call them out for wearing fake things, but these are pretty sick, man, although they're fake, and I don't rock fake things, because I'm not like those assholes. Shots fired with my shoe tree! Y'all are going down! And points to the biggest asshole on sneaker YouTube. I take that title. I'll take that proudly. Oh, these been looking at me sexy! Mwah! Could not forget about you, baby. We got the Human Race yellows right here. Now we got these once again off an Instagram buying series. I'm gonna have to go back and watch that video because I think I paid a ridiculous amount of money for these. Like every other sneaker we have here, I'm kind of stupid. But these ones are honestly probably one of the best fakes that we've ever gotten off an Instagram buying series. We got real boost here. All this looks legit, but I don't really legit check these. I might give these away. I'm not sure yet. I think I have a couple video ideas for these and a couple that I'm showing or haven't showed yet. We also are giving away for sure, because I've said that, but I've kept them here for this video and then I'm gonna send them out. I'll shut up now. Next dude, going along with that, some dude sent these to me. He said he found them at Plato's Closet. I don't know how much truth is behind that, but we got these puppies right here. These are supposed to be like, what, 10, 15 grand? And in the video, bro, I said that there was like no faults on these that I could see. Like, they have the actual coloring on the insole right here. They got real boosts that they're rocking with. These things are fly as all hell, and I got some video ideas for these. You guys let me know what you'd like to see done with these. And they also say penis in Chinese on them, which I thought was so sick. Had to cop for free because somebody gave them to me. Oh, we got the infamous Supreme slides, which are absolutely horrible. We made the Supreme Yeezy. Ah! Oh God! Which are now broken. Shit! We made the Supreme Yeezy slides, which did look really dope once they were made, but I am peeved. I am absolutely cross over this. Anyway, it was a dope video. If you guys want to go check it out. It didn't get as many views as it deserved because it was very sick, but yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Subscribe and comment down below. Oh, these ones are too sexy for my shirt and also fake. These ones right here, somebody sent to me in a $10,000 Hypebeast mystery box. It turned out that everything in that mystery box is fake, and he was like, bro, I got a $10,000 mystery box to send you. And I was like, dude, I can't accept it, but here's my address. And he sent the shit, and it was all fake. We got the first ever pair of 750s, fake and real, I've ever had in my household, and they're really bad. Oh my God, this boost, I wish y'all could feel this. It's like the goddamn Supreme Brick Boost Edition. These are absolutely horrible, but I've kept them because I think I got some ideas for these. If they weren't size 7, you freak, I'm like, Jesus, who even wears these? Nonetheless, I really appreciate you for sending them, buddy. Sometimes it might not seem like I am, but I really am. I just think you're kind of stupid. And these ones are recent on the channel. Talking about Supreme bricks, these things are actually bricks. Now, I went to the gym the other day and I actually saw, like, no offense, like, I'm not trying to get racial on this shit, but I saw like a short Asian dude wearing them, and they were real, I'm pretty sure, but they just look like boats on anyone's feet. And when you're just a short dude, it just looks ridiculous. Anyway, these ones are size 11. I wear them to the gym all the time, and I think they look really sick on my feet. We got the Balenciaga, whatever the hell they call these, which are absolutely awful. They look like a horrible fake. They're bad, but I think we're probably gonna give these away. I think I said either we were giving them away or making a sneaker mask out of them, and I don't even want to touch these for a mask. Like, I can't cut through that shit, bro. So leave a comment and thumbs up down below. Follow my Instagram. I might give them away. Yeah, we're gonna do hopefully like 10,000 on this video. Likes would be sick. The absolute grail of my sneaker collection, because these are the worst things I've ever held, and I think it's funny when they're just really bad. AKA grail. We got the Nike Air Yeezy, whatever they call them. I don't know. What's that Pokemon on Star Wars, or like the Pokemon game? What am I saying? I might or might not be under the influence right now. Anyway, these are very sick. We got them off the Instagram bodies. Did we? I can't even remember how we got these. Did somebody give them to me? I don't even remember. Anyway, these ones are really bad. However, we made a really, really dope sneaker mask out of them. Now, does this not look super dope to y'all, man? And let me know down below if you made it this far in the video, if you guys want more sneaker mask videos. We haven't done them in a long time, because every time I started doing them again, people were like, man, you're running out of ideas. I'm like, bro, no, I just like making these shits. But y'all let me know if we should bring them back, and I have a sneaker coming in this week that I'm gonna do it to, if you guys want that. So you guys let me know. But we did make a dope mask out of these, even though they were absolutely fake as all can be. Next up, we got a sneaker that I should have given away by now. However, I kept it for this video. The all black. These aren't even released yet. Kanye West doesn't even have these yet. Nike, what are these? Off-whites. They're kind of shitty. They're these. We said in video how these were probably the worst sneakers I've ever gotten off an Instagram ad, and they're just horrible now. We also got a, oh, please don't snap. We also got a dope shoe tree. But yes, we are giving these away, because I did say in the video, I do remember all this stuff. We have a bunch of other sneakers that I've given away that I wish I could show you guys, but y'all have them in your house. Anyway, these ones are bad. Just want y'all to know right now, horrible, horrible. But they're an unreleased colorway, and I thought it was sick. Another one, oh man, I wish I had them, because I bought 2 pairs and I ended up giving both away. I think one I just threw away in a video or something. Anyway, we had the Yeezy Supremes, which were really sick. Little special shout out to those. And last up, god damn, are we on the last already? Hell no! We got these ones right here. These ones are so lit. Now, I actually have the real pair. Absolutely destroyed them for customs, but this is a fake pair we got for the Instagram buying series, and everything checked out on these. When I had them side by side, the only thing was a little bit of the shape. This part right here should not have been this dark. This is obviously too big, and the laces were too fluorescent. However, everything here was absolutely on point, which was really crazy. They're getting really, really good at these fakes, and they have real boost in them too, which is crazy. But that's it, man. God damn, we went through that hopefully not too fast. Hopefully you got their 10 minutes. But I appreciate y'all for watching. The name brand fam is real. Sean, we're murking the game, the greatest of all time. I appreciate you all for requesting this video so much, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, share it with your sister if she's above 18, or your mom if she's hot, or anyone in class who's above 18, or just your teachers. Share it with girls mostly. Send a video of me watching it with a Hooters girl, and I will give you, oh god, I'll give you any one of these fake sneakers you ask for if you do that. Send me yes, that is sick. Send me a video of you watching one of my videos with a hot Hooters girl, and I will hook you up, bro. Appreciate y'all for watching. We're murking it once again. If we didn't get this video to 10 minutes, I might come and see you guys again. But if we didn't though, goodbye for now. Wow. We're back. I want to let you guys know real quick, this video is brought to you by edubirdie.com. I think it's EduBirdie, but I think EduBirdie's a lot doper. There's a link down below. Now, are you guys struggling with your homework in school, your classwork in college? I got the perfect place for you. Click it down below and you get a bunch of like a big team, I guess, of a bunch of fat nerds that'll write your paper for you. Now, here's the catch. If you send in your paper and they write it and it's not good enough, then you get your money back. Hit them up, man. If I was in school, I'm not in school because I'm too dumb, but if I was in school, I would definitely hit these dudes up. The link is down below. EduBirdie/EduBirdie, whatever they want to be called. Hit them up, bro. Get a bunch of fat nerds to write your paper for you and get an A+ on your work. I'm pretty sure it's kind of cheap too. I would do it. I'm not like saying that you should cheat, but you should definitely cheat if it means like getting on the football team or impressing your mom or your girlfriend. EduBirdie.com. Go click it. Yeah, another sponsorship. Sick. Blow.